Hi there, e-commerce pros. Today, we're going to explore smart ways to ask for marketing and data processing consent in your product recommendation quizzes. If you're running an online store, especially in beauty or skincare, this is for you. Let's jump right into it. When you're collecting customer data for marketing or personalization, it's crucial to do it right. You don't want to overwhelm users, but you also need their consent for GDPR, CCPA, and general trust building. Here's how you can smartly ask for consent without scaring users away. First off, timing is everything. You can ask for consent either before or at the end of the quiz. Option 1. Before the quiz. You could start with a friendly welcome message, explaining that users will get personalized recommendations and exclusive offers if they give consent. This strategy might filter out users who aren't genuinely interested, which is great if you sell luxury or niche products. Option 2. At the end of the quiz, another option is to ask for consent at the end, right before showing the quiz results. The customer has already invested their time, so they're more likely to say yes just to see the results. This approach usually works better for everyday or lower-cost items. Next, let's talk about whether the consent should be mandatory or optional. Mandatory. Making consent mandatory ensures you collect data from everyone who completes the quiz. But be careful. It can increase drop-off rates, and you may get fake emails. Optional. On the other hand, making consent optional can improve quiz completion rates and create a better user experience, especially if you're looking to build long-term trust. Now let's talk about how to ask. Keep your wording simple and transparent. Highlight the benefits, discounts, tips, or early access to new products, and ask clear yes/no questions. Don't forget to link your privacy policy. This adds transparency and reassures users that their data will be handled safely. The design of your consent request can make a big difference. Use visual cues like checkboxes or clickable icons, and make sure they're easy to click, especially on mobile. Maybe even add some fun animations to make it more engaging. Everyone loves a good deal. You can offer an immediate reward, like a discount code or free sample, to encourage users to opt in. Lastly, be transparent. Explain how you'll use the data and reassure users that their info will be kept secure. This builds trust and increases the likelihood of consent. And that's it. 6 smart ways to ask for marketing consent while keeping users happy and engaged. Remember, timing, design, and transparency are key to making this process smooth and user-friendly. Try these strategies in your product quizzes today and see your user engagement and data collection soar. For more tips and tricks to improve your quizzes and grow your e-commerce store, head over to revenuehunt.com/blog. Thanks for watching.